I have something to share with you today. It's more like a progress analysis of our daily series. If you have been watching our videos daily, you might have noticed that from 6th of this month, we have started uploading individual zodiac signs instead of compiling them all in one. By doing so, we have been able to reach and provide value to 4 times more people than we used to reach in a single compilation of all the readings. So I just wanted to share a few analytics with you today. While considering the data for both 6th and 7th of August combined, we see that the Cosmic Tarot Express series is getting an average of 450 plus views every day and roughly about 45 likes on an average per day. While that's an achievement in itself for a new channel like ours, of course it is a reason to celebrate. But at the same time, our channel analytics show that most of you who are watching our videos daily haven't subscribed to the channel yet. So if you like watching our content and haven't subscribed already, hit that red subscribe button and press the bell icon. It really motivates us to continue making more of such empowering and inspiring content for you. Now, before we start today's readings, like always, keep in mind that these are timeless readings. So regardless of the day or date that a particular reading might have been posted on our channel, if you feel called upon it or if you are being guided towards it, go ahead and check the message, as you might find a great message for you for the day ahead. Energies are always timeless, so do not hesitate to check any video that you come across on our channel anytime. Our Instagram handle is reflecting on your screens. If you're not all following us already, go ahead and click the link in the description and follow us right away. If you wish to watch the readings for any other zodiac sign, you will find all the links in the description below. Alright then, I'll see you in the reading. Welcome Leos, let's jump into your energies for the day. Let's see what lies ahead. Some of you are very positive about this love relationship. Yes, there are blockages, there are real-time blockages that you're seeing, but you're being very positive about this. It's like you really are pink, you're wearing those pink colored glasses today. So of course you are seeing that blockage also with those pink colors, which is a good thing to actually view at. But then you need to balance. Okay, I'm hearing that you need to balance your energies. Don't get that pink color that you are not looking at the things that might be important. You're being asked to remain grounded. There might be a teacher or spiritual teacher, any teacher, in that case might be helpful in your scenario today. If you are thinking about a relationship, or if you are thinking about, I'm also hearing that it might be any area of your life. It can be your profession, it can be your finances. It's like whatever it is, you know that this is a long journey, you are aware of it, but then you really want to look at the nice part of it, a lighter part of it, which is good, which is a good way to approach things. Leos, today I'm hearing that you will not take anything very seriously. You are going to pass even biggest of blockages with a very light heart, which is again a good thing. You might come across some people who might serve as some kind of teachers in your life, or you might be one of them. Okay, so whatever it is, it's a balance of energies for you today, Leos. It's a kind of balance of give and take, which is a very good energy to carry throughout the day. Yeah, and let's read your Archangel Michael's blessing today. So Archangel Michael wants you to know, forgive yourself. You've done nothing wrong. If you were wondering about something that you might have done lately, just very recently, and if you're thinking that whether you're right on this or not, you're being guided, and this is an assurance that you've done nothing wrong. Just forgive yourself for whatever has happened. Some things happen just for, if they have to happen. So you need not be that heavy. Yes, of course, you are not being that. You are going to pass throughout the day any heavy energies or heavy decisions with a very light heart throughout the day. I'm seeing that. So this is the affirmation. I'm just reading it out. You might want to just repeat it for added benefits. I ask that you help me let go of self-blame and forgive myself. Please guide me in releasing any toxic anger or fear towards others. Thank you, Archangel Michael, for allowing me to feel centered and at peace. So I wish you all the best, Leos. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye for now.